I was fooled into believing that happiness can be tamed, and I thought I had an answer for every trick you played. But you knew to go above me and did it willingly, and I left myself not wanting in a place I could never be. So I rest my case completely, stand up from where I knelt, and brush the cobwebs from my shoulder, and give back the hand I'm dealt. And I'm feeling, and I'm breathing, and I'm wondering, and I'm believing, and inside fire burns in me, and you make my spirit melt. Gone, you're a little out of gear. People have been merged together, despite everything you hear. And questions that you once left hanging have been answered and moved on. I find your solutions more useless, your memory is well and truly gone. Step into your old shoes when they've been stepped in for you. You hope to retain the trust of everyone that once you said would bore you. And you can't look to me for guidance, you can't look to me for song. I'm the one who convinced everyone that you were in the wrong. So call me a beautiful one, the one that catches the sun so sweetly, with such innocent finesse. And call me a beautiful one, open your door and start to run. I'll be waiting for you anytime you need me to clear your mess. Clear your mess. Clear your mess. Oh, do you understand? I will clear your mess. Why?